Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 90, and today I'm going to show you how we can check the number of apps opened during the day. So let's go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the Digital Wellbeing, and then we have to tap right here and change screen time to the times opened. So when you scroll down, we can see how many times we opened a very app. So in my case, I opened it 20 times settings, 7 times Google, Play Store, Mi browser. We can click here to show all apps. As you can see, it is very easy to check. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!